Hello, this is a quick video for one of my fellow plotters who was asking about what to do about leggy seedlings. So I'm going to give him a few hints and tips, and thought, well, it might be useful for other people too. So it's not a full instruction on what to do, but a few tips. Some of you might find it useful. Behind me I've got some peppers and tomatoes. Now these were leggy, but now doing perfectly fine. And these peppers were leggy and they're doing perfectly fine. Basically, some things you can bury further down, things like tomatoes and brassicas. If you look at these peppers, these have still got the first two leaves that come out. When they come out of the seed, they've got two leaves until the true leaves come out. So these have still got these. Now with peppers you don't bury them deep, and the same with cucumbers, like cucumbers and pumpkins. You don't want to bury them too deep. But with tomatoes, brassicas, you can go right down to the base of the first leaves, not the true leaves, but the first two leaves that come out. You can bury it down so you get a very deep root on the plant. Here we've got some leggy coriander plants. These have obviously not had enough light and have been reaching for the light. So I'm just going to prick out one piece, and you can see the long stem on it. And what I'm going to do is bury it deep into the module and push it down and get the roots right into the base, and then put some more compost around it to cover the stem. And here we have those seedling with the long stem buried in the compost. So I hope that's been some use to you, and good luck with your seedlings.